we have to find the value of a square root under a square root of 169 minus a square root of 168. So the first method, a square root of 169, it is a square root of 13 times 13, that is 13, and a square root of 168, it is a square root, and 168 is 4 times 42, and it is a square root of 4 times a square root of 42, and a square root of 4 is 2 times a square root of 42. It is a square root under, and a square root of 169, it is 13 minus a square root of 168, it is 2 times a square root of 42, and 13 is 7 plus 6, and 42 is 7 times 6. So it is a square root, and 13 is 7 plus 6 minus 2 times a square root, and 42 is 7 times 6, and it is a square root, and 7 is root 7 square plus 6 is root 6 square minus 2 times, and root 7 times 6 will be root 7 times root 6, and a square plus b square minus 2ab, it is a minus b whole square. So it is a square root of root 7 minus root 6 whole square, and a square and a square root will get cancelled. So it is root 7 minus root 6. And the second method, we have to find the value of a square root under a square root of 169 minus a square root of 168. So suppose it is equal to root a minus root b, and this will be positive. So root a minus root b, it must be positive. That means root a, it should be greater than root b, or a should be greater than b. And if we square it both sides, then a square root under root 169 minus root 168 whole square will be equal to root a minus root b whole square, and a square and a square root will get cancelled, and it is root 169 minus root 168 is equal to, and root a minus root b whole square will be a plus b minus 2 root a times root b, because a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and root 169 is 13 minus root 168 is 2 times root 42 is equal to a plus b minus 2 times, and root a times root b will be root ab. And now we can compare 13 and a plus b. A plus b will be equal to 13, and we can compare ab and 42. ab will be equal to 42, and 7 plus 6 is 13, and 7 times 6 is 42, and a is greater than b, so a will be 7 and b will be 6, and a square root under root 169 minus root 168, it is equal to root a minus root b, and it is root a is 7 minus root b is 6.